Hello everybody. Today, unlike our earlier sessions where I begin the video with a general discussion of a special type of word, today I will begin the session with a general discussion about English language and the benefits of learning vocabulary. I will put it like this: language is like an extra muscle in your brain. Earlier, your progress through vocabulary words was at a tortuous pace. You all are familiar with tortoise. Okay. It walks at a very small or very less pace. So your progress was like that, tortuous pace. This video series is just like putting your foot on the accelerator. And what are the benefits of this? After you will be done with these videos, you will chart an optimal route to your desired goals. This is the thing which will create magic in your life. Okay, with this positive note, I will begin the today's session. The first word for today is claustrophobia. Spelling is CLAUSTROPHOBIA. This word claustrophobia is having etymological construction. The word part phobia means fear, and claustrophobia means fear of being locked in places. Suppose you are sitting in a room and the door is just shut. You will be you will fear that it is locked and you will not be able to go outside. It is a psychological state, psychological fear. Example is his fellow classmates laughed at his claustrophobia and often threatened to lock him in his room. As I told you that this is a psychological state, it depends on the conditions to which a individual is exposed in earlier childhood days. Suppose a child is locked in a place for a longer period of time where no one is around, then a psychological fear develops in his mind every time he stays alone in a room. Next word is clavicle. CLAVICLE. Clavicle is a part of anatomy of human beings. Clavicle is collarbone. This particular bone which is present here and here is called clavicle. It means collarbone. Example, even though he wore shoulder pads, the football player broke his clavicle during practice sessions. In America, rugby is called football. Okay, so the players of rugby have to wear shoulder pads because they collide in such a way that clavicle can break. Next word is cleave. CLEAVE. Cleave means split asunder, to separate. Example, the lightning cleaves the tree in two. We can also say, you all must be familiar with the pie of a cake. So we can say Jacob cleaved the pie with a knife. Next word is cleft. CLEFT. Cleft means split. Now, whenever a flood or a large volume of water rushes in a particular area, it causes erosion of soil. Some rocks will separate or cracks will develop due to the water. That is called a cleft. Example, erosion caused a cleft in the huge Boulder. Boulder is a large piece of rock. Okay. Next word is clemency. Clemency. It is related to law. It is actually clemency is related to the court. The meaning of it is disposition to be lenient, mildness of punishing a person, or punishment, mildness of punishment by a person who is entitled to give decisions, like judge. If a person gives a milder decision to a heinous crime, he is granting clemency to the criminal. Clemency also means permissive, merciful, or tolerant. Actually, clemency can not only be granted to criminals but also for first offenders. Actually, in our law system, there is a provision that first offenders should be dealt with clemency. Example for this is the lawyer was pleased when the case was sent to Judge Smith's chamber because Smith was noted for her clemency toward first offenders. Next word is clientele. Clientele. Clientele means body of customers. The success of a business depends on the clientele. If a business is successful, lot of people will be using the product or services. So the body of customers will be large. So a large clientele is an indicative of a successful firm. Example, the rock club attracted a young, stylish clientele. Next word is climatic. Climatic. Climatic means relating to the highest point. Example, when he reached the climatic portions of the book, he could not stop reading. This happens with us when we read some interesting novel. Next word is climb. Clime. Climb means region. Actually, climb is a word part which is a part of climate also. So environmental conditions in a particular region is called climate, and climb as such means region. Okay. Example, his doctors advised him to move to a milder climate. What happens? Some diseases are cured by just the change of climate. Whenever a person is stressed with lot of work because of busy lifestyle, doctor sometimes suggest to take a vacation for the change of climate. Next word is clique. Clique. It means a small exclusive group. Okay, clique means a small exclusive group. We can say political clique, business clique. Okay, example, she charged that a clique had assumed control of school affairs. So in a particular organization also there are exclusive groups who take the decision and decide the future course of action. Now these people need not to take or consider the consent of other people. Okay, that is what is reflected in this example. Next word is cloister. Cloister. Cloister means monastery. Monastery for females. It is also called convent in Christian culture. Example, The nuns lived in the cloister. Next word is clout. Clout. Clout means great influence, especially political or social. Example: Gatsby wondered whether he had enough clout to be admitted to the exclusive club. Next word is coagulate. Coagulate. Coagulate means thicken, congeal, solidify, especially by cooling. Clot. Example: eggs whites coagulate when they are cooked. One more example: when the nurse found her patient was a hemophilic, she knew why his blood would not coagulate. Next word is coalesce. Coalesce. Coalesce means combine, fuse. Example: the soap bubbles will group together and coalesce, forming large bubbles. Now, in culinary skills, sometimes in certain dishes you put different items together and add some water and just mix it to coalesce the components, to fuse them properly with each other. Next word is coda. Coda. Coda means concluding section of a musical or literary composition. Example: the piece concluded with a distinctive coda that strikingly brought together the various motifs. Now again, this motifs you might not be familiar with. Motif is a distinctive feature or dominant idea in an artistic or literary composition. Okay. Next word is coddle. Coddle. Coddle means treat gently, pamper. Example: don't coddle the children so much, they need a taste of discipline. Because when you coddle a lot, people will behave in a wrong way. Next word is codicil. Codicil. Codicil means supplement to the body of a will. Example: this codicil was drawn up 5 years after the writing of the original will. So, in other words, we can say codicils are just portions added to the will at a later part of time. Means the original will is created in an earlier time and any modifications are attached to it in the form of codicil. Next word is codify. Codify. Codify means arrange laws, rules as a code. Classify. Example: we need to take the varying rules and regulations of the different health agencies and codify them into a national health code. Actually, in most of the developing countries, what they do, they analyze the data and the procedures in place in developed countries and try to codify a procedure that they can implement in their own country. Next word is coercion. Coercion. Coercion means use of force. Example: they forced him to obey, but only by great coercion. Next word is coeval. 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 Okay, coeval means living at the same time as, contemporary. Now you all may be familiar with contemporary art form. Okay, the example for this is coeval with the dinosaur. The pterodactyl flourished during the Mesozoic era. Now what is pterodactyl? Pterodactyl is a kind of bird, big bird that existed at the time of dinosaurs, and it became extinct with the dinosaurs. Okay, so what is coeval art forms or contemporary art forms? You all must be familiar with the modern dance forms, salsa, hip hop, and other kind of dances. Okay, all these dances are coeval because they are existing together. Next word is cog, C-O-G. Cog means tooth projecting from a wheel. You must have seen the bicycles. The wheel in which we mount the chain consists of various cogs. Example: a bicycle chain moves through a series of cogs in order to propel the bike. Next word is cogent, C-O-G-E-N-T. Cogent means convincing. Example: she presented cogent arguments to the jury. The jury was convinced. Example: next one, the prosecutor presented clear, cogent evidence to the jury. Jack made cogent arguments with his parents to allow him to go to picnic, and they cannot refuse. Next word is cogitate, C-O-G-I-T-A-T-E. Cogitate means think over, ponder over something. Example: cogitate on this problem, the solution will come. One more example: the novelist liked to cogitate over her ideas for a new book before she put anything down on paper. Next word is cognate, C-O-G-N-A-T-E. Cognate means related linguistically, allied by blood, similar or akin in nature. For example, the English word mother is cognate to the Latin word mater, whose influence is visible in the words maternal and maternity. One more example: when languages have been shown to have a common ancestor, they are said to be cognate. Now, because when we study etymology on a later part of time, at a particular later part of time, we have a feel of this particular word cognate, because in English many word parts are borrowed from French, Latin, Greek, Sanskrit. Okay, many colonial languages means the regions where the English developed in the present form, because it borrowed many word parts from those languages. Okay, so that particular type of relationship is called cognate. Next word is cognitive, C-O-G-N-I-T-I-V. Cognitive means having to do with knowing or perceiving, related to the mental process, a kind of intuition pertaining to the mental process of perception, memory, judgment, and reasoning is called cognitive. For example, though Jack was emotionally immature, his cognitive development was admirable. He was very advanced intellectually. Okay, One more example, parents can choose cognitive training games to improve memory and attention of their children. Next word is cohere. Cohere. Cohere means stick together. Example, solids have a great tendency to cohere than liquids. The egg in the recipe helped the other ingredients to cohere. Next word is cohesion. Cohesion. Cohesion means tending to keep together. Example, a firm believer in the maxim divide and conquer. The emperor, by lies and trickery, sought to disrupt the cohesion of the free nations. Next word is cohorts. Cohorts. Cohorts means armed band. Example, Caesar and his Roman cohorts conquered almost all of the known world. The Caesar and his cohorts all clothed in purple and gold. Next word is coiffure. Coiffure. Coiffure means hairstyle. Okay. Example, you can make a style statement with your choice of coiffure. A well-styled coiffure is a sign of higher class. Next word is coincident. Coincident. Coincident means occurring at the same time. It was a coincidence that Harry met Rima at the annual event sponsored by HCL company after 3 long years. Okay, so coincident means occurring at the same time. Next word is colander. Colander. Colander is a perforated ball used to strain off liquid from food, especially after cooking. I used the colander to strain the noodles after boiling them. Okay, perforated container means it contains a number of holes at the bottom. What you do when you boil something or cook something by boiling and then want to separate the water out of that particular item, we put it into a colander. Next word is collaborate. Collaborate. Collaborate means work together. That is what we are doing here. Collaborating in developing our word power. Example, two writers collaborated in preparing this book. Every technological endeavor or achievement is a collaborated effort of a number of scientists and research scholars all together. One more example, let's collaborate on this dictionary and get it finished faster. Actually, in earlier times, when the methods of communication were weak, the procedure used for studying words was dictionary. Next, and the last word for today is collage. Collage. Collage means work of art put together from fragments. An artistic composition of materials and objects pasted over a surface, often with unifying lines and colors. In schools these days, board presentations are done in the form of houses, and what is done there, different sort of items, different type of news stories are put into collage. Certain pictures and drawings created by students are also put all together on that board. That is a type of collage. Also, what we do in our picture albums, we put all our photographs in different orientations in a particular single frame of photo. That is also a collage, and we call it as photo collage. Example: scraps of cloth, paper dollies, and old photographs all went into her college. Okay, so in college you can put anything, any waste material, you can put it in a artistic way on a particular board, and you call it as a college. Okay, thank you for listening.